Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into a video with Veo3. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use Veo3 on Gemini. So first of all, you can open up gemini.google.com. And for your information, if you want to use Veo3, we need to subscribe to Google One. But don't worry guys, because we will get 1 month free trial. So during 1 month, you can generate any video that you want using a Veo. And I have already subscribed to Google One. So as you can see, I got Gemini Pro, and after we got Pro, we will be able to use Veo3. Okay, and then here we can upload our photo. You can choose the photo that you want to turn into a video. And wait, I'm going to choose one of my photos in my device. Alright, I'm going to choose this gothic photo, and then you can describe the video that you want to create. I have already created the prompt, so I'm just going to paste my prompt here, and we can click on the submit icon, and the Veo3 will turn our photo into a video. Okay, it's still processing. Now the video is being generated, and this can take 1 until 2 minutes. Okay, and now my video is ready, and let's play it. Okay, this is how the video looks like. Wow, that's so cool. And if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!